Good day, everybody. How are you doing today? My name is Stephen Ogechi. Now, in my last video, I spoke to you about the meaning of Forex. I encourage every new person who wants to learn how to trade Forex to make sure they have the MT4 either on their laptops, their iPad, their Android phone, or their iPhone in order to be able to trade Forex. Now, if you are not part of that video that explained the meaning of Forex, please make sure you go to our YouTube channel, watch it, like it, and subscribe. Now, today we'll be talking about how to download the MT4 on your phone. We'll start with the demo account. So the first thing you need to do is, once you have an Android phone or an iPhone, you could just go straight to your Google Play Store, click on it. Once it comes up, you type your MT4 and it comes. Once it downloads, you click on open. Once you click on open, it brings you here. Now, for you to be able to download it, you go to your quote, which is by your left hand side up. Left hand side up, the blue square where you have the left hand side. Click on it. Then click on the manage account. It brings you here. Now, the first thing you need to do is to click on the plus by your right hand side up. Here it brings you to two menus. One is to open up a demo account, while the other one is to log into your live account. For you to be able to open up a demo account, you need to click on the one above, and it brings you to where you can fill your form for a demo account. While the one down is for you to log into your live account. For you to log into your live account, you need to be sent a link from a broker that you can use to create a live account for yourself. Remember, whichever broker you choose to use, that's fine by me, but make sure you use a broker that has a low spread. Spread means what they will charge you when you are using those pairs to trade. Use anyone that has a low spread. Now, once you have filled that form online, you open up the account. Please try and use a low leverage of 1:500, as we will be demonstrating in our demo account. Once you have done all this, with the details they've given to you, you can now click on the log into your existing account to log into your live account. But to demonstrate how to do the demo account, we're going to do that now. Remember, live account is to make money, then your demo account is to practice, and practice. Now, click on your demo account to open one. Here, you type the name of the broker you want to use. Today, we're going to use your Handtech as an example. So I just typed in Han, and there it is. Click on it. Once it comes, you see your name. You type in your name. For example, let's say your name is Stephen. You put it there. Your phone number, you put it there. Your email, you put it there. Remember your leverage. Please use 1:500 that I advised you. Then start with a low account size. I'll be starting with 3,000. Why? Because most traders, when they want to start trading, they start with a low account size. They don't start with very big amount of money. So we are choosing the lowest, which is 3,000. So you can click on create account for the account to be created. You click on done. Then it brings you to a page where the pairs will begin to load. Pairs means you have two different maybe currencies side by side. They are appearing in pairs. Now, if you notice, they are not much. One of the first things you need to do is to click on the plus by your right hand side up. Then you add all this to the pairs you already have. Keep tapping on them one after the other. Tap on the one before the CFD indices, tap on them, and everything will disappear. Once it does, continue with the next one so that everything there will be added to where you have the different pairs. Do this for the rest of the other files you saw there. Now, if you have done everything, then there will be nothing more to open. Once you have done that, you go backwards once. Now, if you scroll down, you notice that you have as many as possible. This is how to open up your demo account. Now, if you go back to your left-hand side where you have the quotes, click on it. You'll notice that your account name is the name you gave to them. The amount you choose is there, and it's showing you that it is a demo account. For you to log into it, you click on it and click on any of these windows below for you to be able to see what you already have. So this is how to open up your demo account. Now, remember, in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to open up a live account using a laptop. So make sure you join me. But if you like this video that we just did right now, make sure you click on like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Invite your friends. I celebrate you. Thank you for watching. I look forward to interacting with you again. Bye.